Okay, second video. Don't know what happened. Still in the front coop. All right, they're in. They just walked in because they know what's up. Make sure Fiona's blanket is not super gross. Oh, you already pooped on it. Awesome. Yeah, make sure. I sometimes, if it gets too mucky, I shake it out. Okay. So they are here just waiting for me. I know you guys. Let me straighten up her towel. Excuse me, you guys came in early. Okay, she's got low food. I just cleaned their water, but make sure the base isn't gross. You don't have to change the water. I'd rather you don't because I medicated it for while we're gone. But all you do is just, just throw it out. Like, I usually just tip it right here and just get the gunk out. Same with Dahlia's food bowl. Dahlia, Fiona, Horatio. She's usually got a lot of straw that she kicked in there, so I just blow it out. Okay, blew it out. She's still got a good amount in, so I'm just gonna top it off. The big bin, I have it labeled, is the flock. This is the all flock. Everyone gets it. So I'm just gonna top it off, like just so the bottom's covered and then some, not too much or it just goes wasted. And then I'm just gonna put a little in Fiona's. You want to feed Dahlia first, usually, because she's the top girl, and if she sees Fiona getting food or like worms before her, she'll flip the fuck out. And this is the layer stuff. You don't have to, but since Dahlia's laid in the past week, I just sprinkle a little bit of the layer stuff that has extra calcium on top. I know, I'm getting to your worms. Dahlia will talk shit the whole time. Don't hurt me. Okay, so worm time. Worms. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some first in her bowl so she hears it. Oh yes. And then sprinkle some nice, like, healthy sprinkles. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle around their coop. Just not too much, but just, some nice little generous sprinkles around their area. And then I'll get the scratch, which is this. It's the seeds and the cracked corn, and I'll, throw some more in her area, in her bowl. Throw some on Fiona's bowl. Fiona spends most of her time up here because she gets bullied, so. And then I'll just generous little, spritzes everywhere so they can just scratch and peck all day, especially when the weather's crappy. There's not much to do, so. I got a lot of scratch, so don't worry about, using too much, but don't use it too much. Okay. And now, sorry, babies, sorry. Now I'm done with the front coop. And just latch it. All right, go into the back.